Amazing Iron Man. Iron Man is the star of comics and Hollywood films. He is from the world of Marvel Comics. Iron Man is in the Avengers, and he has got his own films too. But who exactly is Iron Man? This is Tony Stark. He is an engineer in his father's business, Stark Industries, in the USA. This is Pepper Potts. She is Tony's loyal secretary. Tony has got a special metal suit. When he has it on, he has got special powers. Tony Stark is Iron Man.
I am Iron Man.
With his suit, he can fly. He is strong and he can protect the world from bad people. This is Ironmonger. He has also got superpowers, but he is very bad. He is Iron Man's enemy. Can Iron Man stop him? Can Pepper help Tony? Watch the films or read the comics to find out.